Hi everyone, welcome to Social Studies class. The universe. Already we discussed what is the universe. What is the universe? The sun, the moon, the planets, the stars. Combinedly we call the universe. Yes, one more topic already we learned. What are heavenly bodies? What are heavenly bodies? The sun, the moon, and all the stars. The sun, the moon, and all the stars in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Next, what is galaxy? A group of stars. A group of stars is called galaxy. What is our galaxy name? Our home galaxy name? The Milky Way. The Milky Way. What is the another name of the Milky Way? Akash Ganga. What is the another name of the Milky Way? Akash Ganga. How many stars are there in the Milky Way? 200 billions. Approximately 200 billions. Yes. Already we learnt about origin of the universe. Origin of the universe. How our universe originated, started? According to your textbook, there was a big bang. Bang means explosion. Due to that bang, a fireball was created. Eventually it was cooled and all the particles, the sun, the moon, the stars, all the planets formed. Okay, all the topics we covered, right? Next topic is the solar system. Next topic is solar system. The origin of the universe finished, the Milky Way finished. Next, the solar system. What is the solar system? The sun and 8 planets and their satellites also. It is called the solar system. The sun and 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets. And satellites also there. What is satellites? Just like their assistants. Okay. These planets moves around the sun. These satellites move around the planets. Clear? All the planets are moving around the sun. Satellites moves around the planet. They are called satellites. In this class, let us have discussion about solar system, some part of solar system. Okay. Firstly, what is the solar system? The sun, 8 planets along with their satellites. It is called solar system. In solar system, let us focus on planets topic first. Let us focus on planets. Where we are living? On which planet? Earth. We are living on Earth. Earth is also a planet. The planet on which life exists. Living things can live on the Earth only. Only on the Earth living things can survive. living things can survive. If living things go to another planets, living things cannot survive on the another planets. So Earth is a very important planet. Why? We are living on the Earth planet. So if somebody asks you, what is the Earth? You should say, Earth is a planet. What is the Earth? Earth is a planet. Okay. Next, there are 8 planets. First of all, let us learn them according to their distance. According to their distance. One more topic. Let us learn the planets according to their sizes. Okay, according to their size. 8 planets are there along with the sun. Sun is very important for living things. Why? The sun gives us light. The sun gives us light. We feel very happy at the daytime. Why? We can see everything which is around us very clearly because of the sunlight. At the same time, we get sun rises from the sun, so we can get some heat also from the sun. Plants also making their food from the sunrises and water and air. Yes, if there is no sun, plants also could not make the food, so that we even cannot eat also. So sun is very important for us. The sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the east. Yes, the sun rises in the morning. And in which direction the sun rises? The sun rises in the east direction. How many directions are there? 4 directions are there. How many directions? 4. North direction, south direction, east direction, west direction. How many directions? 4. East, west, south and north. East, west, south and north. These are the 4 directions. So sun rises from the east. Sun rises in the east direction. Okay, 8 planets according to their distance first. Distance from the sun. Distance from the sun. Distance from the sun. According to their distance from the sun. First of all, this is the sun. This is the sun. Sun is very important source for us. Source for light and source for heat. First of all, which is the nearest planet to the sun? Which is the nearest planet to the sun? Nearest planet is Mercury, which is the nearest planet to the sun. It is closest to the sun. Sun after first planet. Yes, if this is sun, all the planets moves around the sun. in their axis, on its every one's axis. So this is the Mercury. This is the Mercury planet, which is the closest, which is the nearest planet to the sun. Planet to the sun, Mercury. Next, Mercury after Venus. Mercury after Venus. This is the planet, Venus planet. Next, third planet according to their distance, which is the third nearest planet to the sun. Earth is the third nearest planet. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay, about Earth, it is the third nearest planet to the sun. Why? Earth is our planet. Yes, we are living on the Earth. So we should know that Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. Okay. Fourthly, Mars. Fourthly, Mars. According the distance from the sun, according distance from the sun, Mars is the fourth. Mars is the fourth planet. Next, fifth one, Jupiter. Fifth one, Jupiter planet. Fifth planet, Jupiter, which is the fifth nearest planet to the sun. Which is the fifth nearest planet to the sun. Answer is Jupiter. Answer is Jupiter. Next planet, Saturn. Next planet, Saturn. Okay. Next planet, Saturn. Saturn after Uranus. Saturn after Uranus. Uranus after Neptune. Uranus after Neptune. Which is the nearest planet to the sun? Which is the nearest planet to the sun? Mercury. Which is the nearest planet, or which is the closest planet to the sun? Mercury. Here sun, right? Mercury is the nearest. Which is the farthest? Which is the farthest planet to the sun? Which is the farthest means it is having long distance. It means last from the sun. Here sun, see 7 planets after Neptune is there. So it is having long distance. Which is the farthest planet to the sun? Neptune. What is about our planet? Which is our planet? The Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. The third nearest planet to the sun. 1, 2, 3. Mercury, Venus, Earth, third. Once let us read all the planets name once. Say along with me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Again, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is the list of the planets according to their distance from the sun, according to their distance from the sun. Next, according to their sizes, what is the list of the planets? Let us see. If you want to remember the list of the planets according to their size, you should by heart this serial. You should by heart this list. Why? If you by heart this list, you can easily write the answer to the list of planets according to their size. How it is? Let us see. How it is? Let us see. How easy when we by heart the list of the planets according to the distance from the sun, we can write according to their size also, very easily. So what is your important work? To by heart these 8 planet names according to their distance from the sun. First of all, we are talking about size. So which is the biggest planet? Size means big we say, small we say. So big size. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter is the biggest planet. Biggest planet is Jupiter. Clear? Next, no need to take tension to write the planet names according to their size. Why? Jupiter is the first biggest planet. Next biggest Saturn. Okay. Saturn after Uranus. Uranus is the third biggest. Yes, serial wise it is coming. That is why I am saying, when you by heart this planets list according to their distance from the sun, by doing just one small change, you can write the list of the planets according to their size also very easily. So please by heart this list of the planets. Okay, we started from here, right? The Jupiter is the first biggest. Jupiter after what is coming here? Saturn is the second biggest. Next, what is coming here? Uranus is the third biggest. Next, fourth biggest, Neptune. Yes, serial wise we are getting right. Neptune. Here we need to do one change. Neptune after, here we are getting Mars, right? But we need to take the Earth planet. So fifth biggest is the Earth. Fifth biggest planet, the Earth. Yes, just we need to remove the Earth from here. Next we can continue our serial. Next, sixth biggest, Mercury. Seventh, Venus planet, and finally Mars. So which is the smallest planet? According to its size, Mars is the smallest planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, same continuous. Just fifth one, Earth. After that we can continue the serial. Mercury, Venus, Mars. Okay. Yes, are you understanding? When you learn the list of the planets according its distance from the sun, you can easily write the list of the planets according to their size. So first all these learn once, observe in your textbook so that you can learn more things about the solar system. Okay, thank you.